Hello there. If you would like to know how I achieved this delicious and hearty chicken and noodles recipe, please stay tuned. This is a quick and easy recipe that you will absolutely love. I have cleaned my chicken thighs and I am now placing them in a hot skillet. From here, I'll add 2 cups of water to the skillet. And now it's time for us to add the seasonings. I'm going to start with seasoning salt. And don't be afraid to add these seasonings. I want my chicken and noodles very well seasoned, so I go a little heavy-handed with my seasonings. Next, I'll add some onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, as well as pepper, black pepper that is. You can add any other seasonings you would like. I'm just going to start with these 4 for now. I will now add the carton of chicken broth. I'm using organic for this recipe. You can use any type you'd like, with a low sodium or any type, just whatever suits your needs. But I'm going to use the entire carton. Okay, guys, as you can see, my chicken is starting to boil. So I will cover the skillet and allow the chicken to cook for an hour and a half. You can just check it periodically, and if the chicken is completely cooked, it may only take you an hour, but I'm going to allow mine to cook for an hour and a half. Okay, guys, it's been about an hour, and I just wanted to check on the chicken. It smells so good. I wanted to dive in right then, but I'm going to allow it to cook for the entire 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'll cover and let that still cook. And it's 1.5 hours later. It smells divine. So from here, I'm just going to kind of break apart the chicken with a spatula here. And it is completely cooked. It's easy to break apart, so we know that it's done. So I'm just going to continue to do this before we add in the egg noodles. And finally, I'm adding in the egg noodles. I am using 1 pound of the noodles. I am going to stir these in carefully and allow these to simmer on medium heat until they soften. You'll want to check this periodically and then just stir. I'm going to add an additional cup of water to the noodles. A lot of the liquid was absorbed when the noodles were placed in, and the chicken also absorbed some water. So I'm just going to place 1 cup of water back in and stir. Okay, guys, now that the water has absorbed and the noodles have thickened, I will just stir a little more. Make sure everything is just well combined. And I will add additional seasonings at this time. I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning salt. Definitely a little bit of salt, because I never did salt the recipe at the beginning. I'm going to add some more black pepper. I'm going to add oregano, a little bit more onion powder. And I think that's about it there. So just feel free to add whatever you would like to add so we can season the noodles as well. And last but not least, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. You can add margarine if you wish, but I'm adding butter. This just adds so much just flavor. It's nothing like some just buttery noodles, guys. So don't skip this step. Add that butter in or margarine and stir thoroughly. And there you have it, guys. This recipe is so quick and easy, and you really could just have this completed within the hour, just depending on how long you cook the chicken. It is so good. I cannot wait to have this with a side of cornbread and just enjoy on this Sunday evening. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please feel free to share. Until next time, have a great week, and God bless.